everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Wakame Gohan. Wakame Gohan is very popular school lunch menu. Once in a while, there is a day when children can request menu for school lunch and Wakame Gohan is always high on the list. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Wakame Gohan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 10 grams of dried wakame seaweed, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons each of mirin and sake, and 1 teaspoon each of salt and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. At first, you need to rinse the rice. Add some water. Stir gently. And drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. And rinse rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's add the seasonings. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of liquid seasonings, so let's remove 4 tablespoons of water. Then add mirin, sake, hondashi, and salt. Give it a mix. Put the lid back on and let's cook. Just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. And in the meantime, let's rehydrate the wakame seaweed. Wakame seaweed is small bits when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, expand. So make sure to use plenty of water to rehydrate. So wakame into the bowl and plenty of water. And just leave it for 10 minutes or so. Now the rice is boiling. Turn the heat to low as you can go and let it simmer for 12 minutes. By now, wakame seaweed should be rehydrated. It was small black bits, but now you can see it's greenish and big. So let's drain using a strainer. You want to remove as much moisture as possible, so take some and squeeze it well. Like this. And finally mince it so that it blends well with the rice. The rice has been cooked for 12 minutes, so let's mix wakame seaweed and sesame seeds. Once mixed, put the lid back on and steam at least for 10 minutes. Steamed for 10 minutes. Serve in the rice bowl. And Wakame Gohan is ready to go. Time for the tasting. This is exactly the taste of school lunch. My kids will be very happy to have their favorite school lunch menu at home. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Wakame Gohan goes here and mushroom miso soup or any miso soup you like here. You can have anything you like for the main, but how about yakitori chicken skewers? I want to have something green, so spinach and sesame salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!